how to allow or don't allow other people to add photos and videos to the shared album on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Photos, and in Photos, you want to tap on Albums at the bottom. Next, open up the shared albums that you want to allow or don't allow people to make changes. Then tap on the Option key at the top. From the pop-up menu, tap on Share Album Details. In here, if you want to stop people from adding photos or videos, you tap on Subscribers Can Post. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off, and it said that only you can add photos and videos to this album. If you want to allow other people to add photos and videos to this album, then turn on Subscribers Can Post. So that means anyone has been invited to your share albums will be able to post. And that's it. Tap on the Done button to save the changes and swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.